Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. So today we will see lecture number 22 from the subject Design and Analysis of an Algorithms. Today's topic is about the knapsack using the greedy approach. Okay, firstly I will tell you knapsack means a bag, a container where you can put something, okay? Okay, now see. You know, before directly jumping into the knapsack problem using the greedy method, I will firstly try to make you understand what basically knapsack problem is all about. Say you have some bags. What you have, that you have some bags, say from one bag to the n bag. We have n number of bags, and all these n number of bags contains some valuable items, contain some valuable items. Say each bag say contains some chemicals. let the let that be chemicals. We have n bags and each bag contains some chemicals. These are all some chemicals and each of them is in a bag, and each bag, 1 to n bag, has some weight, wi, and each bag has some price in it. Each bag has some value, so the price of each bag is pi. Now you want to carry these away. You want to carry each bag or each chemical with you. What you have with you is a knapsack. You have a bag and you want to put some chemical out of all these bags, like 1 to n bags. Say I'm having 5 bags, 1 2 3 4 5, and in each bag we are having few chemicals. And हर एक बैग का, say for example बैग नंबर 1 में 5 kg कोई chemical है, इसमें 6 kg है, इसमें 7 kg, इसमें 8 kg and इसमें 10 kg. ओके मेरे जो knapsack की कैपेसिटी है, से इट इज़ अबाउट 20 kg, and I want to take some chemicals with me. I don't want to take the first chemical as whole. Maybe I need 1 kg from this, 2 kg from this, likewise. ठीक, this is my knapsack, and this knapsack's capacity say is 20 kg. That means I can only carry 20 kg chemicals with me. Before that, you must also understand that knapsack is nothing. It is just another term for something which we called as backpack. But you have only a certain amount of carrying capacity, as I told you. You can't take away the entire thing in general. That means from over here I cannot take the entire thing in general. So you have the knapsack which has a capacity, say this capacity be equal to m. The problem is, if you have more chemicals that will fit in your knapsack, you have to choose the chemicals appropriately. So what do you want to choose? Obviously I can say I need all of them, so instead of taking one, I can take the mixture of all these chemicals that fits in the knapsack. I say I will take 2 kg from this, 5 kg from this, 4 kg from this, 6 kg from this, 8 kgs from this. That should be equal to 20 or less than 20. All the chemicals which I will take with myself, that should not exceed the knapsack's capacity. What this means is that if you look at these chemicals, you will choose some fractions. Say instead of 5 kgs, I will take 1/3 of the first chemical, maybe 2/3 of the second chemical, likewise. And this fraction, say xi, lies between 0 and 1. Here 0 means you are not taking the item at all. Okay, 0 means you are not taking the chemical or any item in any object at all. 1 means you are taking the object as a whole. If I will take 5 kgs from the first chemical, that means my fraction would be, not fraction, the value will be equal to 1. If I am not taking the first chemical at all in my bag, so I will represent that with a 0. But if I am taking something from the first bag, instead of the whole 5 kgs, I will take 1/3, 1/4, 1/5. That would lie in between 0 and 1. If it is 0, as I told you, that means you don't take the chemical at all, and if it is 1, you take the entire amount. If you take only part of chemical, say 1 by 2, as I wrote over here, 2 by 3 or 1 by 3, that means you take that much. So it is crucial that this thing is divisible, right? So you can take an any arbitrary function, not function, fraction. So this is a kind of knapsack problem which you can think of as a fractional knapsack. ऐसी प्रॉब्लम जहाँ पे हमारे पास ऑब्जेक्ट्स तो हैं एंड वी आर एबल टू टेक द पार्ट ऑफ इट. For example, chemicals हैं, okay, if it's these are not chemicals, say 5 colors, red, green, blue, yellow, होली खेलने जाना है, right? Pink. I want each and every color but in a certain proportion. Okay, I don't want to take only the red color and I will go and play holy. No, let me take 1/3 from this, 1/2 half from this, 1/3 from this, 1/4 from this, likewise, so that I can fill my whole bag and I can go home and play holy. When you are able to divide the object, to take the fraction of any object so that you can fill your knapsack, that kind of a knapsack is called as fractional knapsack. Okay.